Hello my dear viewers, today I'm gonna help you a lot. I'm gonna give you something called Cayenne salve. In my special recipe, if you make this salve, it's gonna help you a lot with your sick knees, but this special salve, of course, you can put it on every joint that you have the pain, stiffness, swelling, and you get a lot better in the very natural way. The heat from the peppers and the ginger in this salve promotes circulation to speed healing while relieving the pain. The peppermint oil is cooling and analgesic, make the combination very effective. Recipes and ingredients. For 350 milliliters, you will need 2 cups olive oil, half cup red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 60 milliliters of beeswax, and 1 teaspoon of peppermint essential oil. These 5 ingredients you can easily buy in the healthy store. Recipes, you have olive oil, always buy organic olive oil. Also pepper flakes, also you want to put this in this special recipe, something called beeswax, peppermint oil, and of course fresh ginger. And the procedure that you're gonna do this is like this. In the slow cooker on the low, infuse the olive oil with the pepper flakes and ginger for 4 to 6 hours. Strain in a glass measuring cup or other container with pouring lid, compost the solids. While the oil is still hot, stir in the beeswax until it melts. Add essential oil just before pouring the salve into labeled and dated jar. Store in a cool, dark place and use within 6 to 9 months. To use, apply the cool salve directly on the skin using back of a clean spoon. This keeps bacteria from being introduced in the jar. In the short, this means you have the perfect salve for your joints. If you have knee problems, you just pour this salve on your joints, and I said it before, this salve you can use it on any joints that you have the problem. If you have any kind of special recipe for relieving the pain, stiffness and swelling in the sick joints in natural way, please comment below. My dear viewers, on my channel you have hundreds and hundreds of videos just about the natural remedies for the knee problems. If you want to learn anything else about this problem, click on the window right here and use the knowledge that I pour into this channel for the last 5 years. Thank you for following me. See you next time.